Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Exotic Noods. Exotic Noods does really neato subscription boxes with instant noodles that come from all over the world. Go over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Let's crack into this month's box and have a look. Oh, cool. All right, so you're greeted with a Features of the Month pamphlet featuring information about all the varieties inside. And yeah, cool. So now I'll go through everything and tell you a little about it. First, we have one from the United States. This is the popular Cup Noodle Stir Fry, and this is the hot garlic chicken flavor. These actually are pretty impressive. There's a decent amount of vegetables in with these, and the noodles come out kind of like a saucy kind of broth with the noodle. Microwaves up really quick, and you'll note this is also a 50th anniversary edition cup, so cool. Another one from Nissan Foods USA. This is the special crossover from overseas. This is Cup Noodle Curry from Japan, but made for the US. And if you like Japanese curry, you're gonna love this. This is an old standby from overseas. So yeah, curry, cup noodle. It's very saucy, very strong curry flavor, Japanese curry, so it's kind of more sweet. But yeah, I think you'll like it. And man, this Minraku company just keeps coming up with flavors. I've done so many flavors of Minraku and they just keep coming out with more. This is their Hokkaido style seafood with shrimp and scallop soup. That sounds really good. These things, you know, a lot of the time there have been varieties that I haven't liked. I know I'm gonna like this one. They've kind of come a long way. Their broths are fuller and richer. The noodle, generally nothing to write home about, but when it comes together with the broth, it's usually a nice little affair. Here's another one I've not tried. Cool. This is from Sapporo Ichiban USA. This is their chicken Tonkatsu ramen, and it's in a bowl. I've never had the bowl version of this before. I didn't know it existed. And it's kind of like a creamy chicken broth. It's really good, at least in the pack form. I'm sure it's quite good in the bowl form as well. Probably comes with some veggies and bits and pieces here and there. And yeah, this should be good. Now, this picture on the front of this pack, this is the serving suggestion. I suggest you follow it because when you take this brand, this is Indomie mee goreng fried noodle. This is the original Indomie mee goreng. You slap a fried egg on top of it and you're in freaking heaven. I'm telling you what, this was the second variety of instant noodle that I fell in love with that really got me crazy about instant noodles. It's got a sweetness, it's got a saltiness. My kids love it. It's just absolutely wonderful stuff. And yeah, you should try this one. All right, this is JML, which stands for Jinmailong. This is their sauerkraut noodle, and yeah, it's got pickled cabbage in it, and it's generally, these are really good. This is from China. There was at one point they produced so many noodles that 1 out of 4 packs of instant noodles in the world were this brand. I'm pretty sure that's what the claim was. So that's a lot of noodles, and these are really good. They do this one, they do spicy, they do a hot and sour, they do all sorts of stuff. But this is a good one. Oh my, it's Green Noodle with their Morohaya infused yakisoba. Okay, I haven't had this stuff in years, but it was on my bottom 10 list for a long time. And Morohaya is I think it's one of those you love it or you hate it kind of things. And personally, I've hated it. But it's been a long time. This will get a new review. I'll give it another go. And on the opposite side, we have something I absolutely adore. This is Nissan Tonkatsu. This is the US version. So the Japanese version, it has pork in it. Well, you can't import pork into the United States, so they make this version that has all the everything done up over there, and it doesn't have the pork in it. So, yeah. All right, so in this box from Exotic Noods, you get Indomie, green noodle, some hot garlic, curry, a pickled cabbage wonderland, tonkatsu, shrimp and scallop, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, this is a really nice box of international varieties. You can get them monthly. You can just get one of them, whatever you want. They'll ship them to your door, and they usually end up in really good condition. So that's awesome. Just head on over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider to get yourself a little discount. All right, this has been Hobbs the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.